This one's getting a new quarter panel. The whole panel's completely destroyed.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
So I have a Toyota Avalon here. This one's getting a new quarter panel. The whole panel's completely destroyed. Down here as well. So this one gets sectioned in. They have a sectioning procedure to put it in right here and somewhere right in here. I have the new panel, so I'll put this all the way where the panel comes. This is how the panel comes, just like this. I'll seam this in right here, and then it'll go right around here. And the reason they make a sectioning procedure to put it in here is if you put the whole piece in, it goes underneath the roof, so you'd have to put a roof on it as well. So I have the new quarter panel sitting on here now, and I overlapped it. I cut the new panel long and I cut the car short, so it's overlapped right here by about an inch or so. Same thing down here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scribe the car all the way across, and then I'll lift this panel back off and I'll make my cut. Then I'll have two perfect cuts. Well, I got this one all fit together. My trunk gaps all line up and look good. Door gaps look good. So I'm going to take this one back apart. I gotta lift that panel back off because I gotta put some seam sealer on the backside. And I will go ahead and I will put this on permanently. So the majority of Toyota's designs of their cars is actually very good. I like working on their cars. However, this is one of the dumb things that they do. This is a bracket that holds the release for the fuel door, and I have to weld this on there, but I have to fit everything up first to make sure it's in the exact right position or the door won't latch properly. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to drill 2 holes for the plug welds, and I'm going to put a sheet metal screw in it and guess where I want it to sit. Then I will fit the fuel door up and put that cable in there and make sure it functions properly, and I'll zap those 2 welds once I get it working right. I'm going to first use some vice grips to hold it in place, and then I'll put a sheet metal screw because the vice grips will be in the way of the fuel door. So it's working. Once the rubber seals in there, it'll sit a little tighter. But it looks good, so I'm gonna go ahead and zap those last 2 welds. I just about have this one wrapped up. It just needs a little bit of fill work on the 2 seams. I'm going to send it over to Eric to wrap that up and get it in primer, and then it'll be off to the paint shop to get painted. So that's a wrap on this one.